Welcome to Super Dave's RC. Say hi, George. By mixing channel 1 and channel 3, we've got the steering working. We have our rider mounted. The steering linkage is hidden nicely through here. Goes right through his butt. Follows his leg. Right to that point right there. Our our spring is actually hidden pretty well underneath there. Tucked right underneath the new triple tree. And we're going to have to mount the radio box back here. We'll put that back here someplace in this little void. And of course we have all of our servos back here. And again, you see that nice straight shot for the steering. So even though the steering is clear back here, we actually have a very, very positive engagement. See, there's no give. We got a nice direct So the question is it going to handle? Will that shifting of the center of gravity help? And if so, how much? We've got a nice captured box back here. If anybody has any ideas about how to make that look neat, how to connect the handlebars to the actual moving part, that would be kind of cool. Let me know if you have any ideas. Other than that, we are done with this phase. Now we'll have to work out how we want to hang the exhaust and what we want to do with that, and go from there. So again, we are turning and leaning. Say goodbye, Henry. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.